In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Webflow backup. So firstly, open up Webflow and log into your Webflow account. Once I've logged into your Webflow account here, so simply click on your website that you want to backup. So you want to work on the backup. So just tap on it and then select it and open it up. So once you've already opened up and once the site loads here, all you're going to do is click on the settings here, which is on your left side menu here. Click on it and then this will open up your settings page here. So from here you go to select this backup option here. So click on backups. So here it will open up this backup page here. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on this new backup option here, which is on your top right here. So click on this new backup option. Okay, and then give a name for your backup. So just give a name, something that's easily recognizable for you, especially when you're doing frequent backups. So like, have a versions or something like that. So just do that and then give a name. Once you've given a name, hit on save. When you hit on save, and that's it, depending on how heavy your site is, your backup will be created. The time taken will be based on your heaviness of your site. Okay, but your backup will be created. So that's how you back it up.